Coming up in this Brightline construction update. This update looks at the progress on Brightline's new Orlando line between Orlando International Airport and Cocoa, Florida, alongside State Road 528. Brightline's Orlando line runs from its connection to the Florida East Coast Railway in Cocoa, Florida, to the Orlando station at Orlando International Airport. We'll start just east of the airport at Narcoossee Road. The ramp to the bridge over Narcoossee starts here and it recently had signals installed. The exit ramp will soon be rerouted to go under this bridge. Now in the air, here's a look at that bridge from above. Work has begun on forming the bridge deck. The biggest change here, though, is that the beams have been installed for the bridge over Narcoossee Road itself. A total of 12 beams were installed over the road. This bridge will hold double track from the start. In the distance by the entrance ramp, crews are still working on the piers that will support the bridge there. That bridge should be of the same design as the one that has already been installed for the exit ramp. The ramp that the tracks will use on that end has also started being built. The embankment between the Narcoossee Road Bridge and entrance ramp bridge is also nearing completion. Work on the embankment between the exit ramp and Narcoossee Road will proceed once the exit ramp has been relocated. Here's a ground view of the work along the entrance ramp. We'll now move east to Innovation Way and the bridge over the Orlando Utilities Commission's Stanton Rail Line, which CSX uses to serve the Stanton Energy Center. Here's a look west from the Innovation Way exit ramp. Work here has been focused on finishing up the embankments on either side of the bridge now that the beams are installed over the tracks. This section will be single track to start, so only one half of the bridge was installed. When traffic grows to the point where two tracks are needed, they will come back and install the second half. West of the bridge, the right-of-way is looking like it is almost ready for track to be laid, with sub-road bed as far as the eye can see. Grass has started being laid on the east embankment to help prevent erosion, although the rainstorm that came through shortly before my flight didn't help the situation. Where the roadbed bumps out here is where the spur line that will connect with the OUC line will break off the main line. Crews are still working on the path that the spur line will take. Signal equipment has also started being installed on the ramp. A bungalow has been installed, as have 3 pedestals that will support an intermediate signal and 2 solar panels. Moving on, you can see the sweeping turn the spur track will take to connect to the OUC line. Work stops at the edge of the OUC right-of-way, where another crew will have to work on the connection to that existing line. This connection will be used by work trains so track can start to be installed from the central point on the line, as other crews work east from the airport and west from Cocoa. Here's a pass along the full work site from east to west. The Innovation Way exit seen here was built with Brightline in mind, with the right-of-way left intact for tracks. Back on State Road 528, here's a view of this area from the ground. Next up is work near the Econlockhatchee River. Crews are working on capping the pilings to form the bent caps. Here's an intermediate signal near the Dallas Toll Plaza, along with a section of roadbed. We'll continue on farther east to near State Road 520. We're just a couple of miles west of 520 here. The subroad bed is down, fencing is going up, and signal equipment is being installed. This area is essentially ready for track. At State Road 520, work is still ongoing for the pilings here. This bridge is the farthest behind of all the bridges in the project in terms of progress. The rest of this video will be a complete ride along State Road 528 between State Road 520 and Interstate 95. This area has recently been cleared and additional fill brought in to build it up. Work is continuing on the bridge deck here at Second Creek. The same is true here at Jim Creek. The beams for the bridge over the Narcoossee Wildlife Management Area access road have recently been installed. Work is ongoing on this bridge over a small creek and wildlife underpass. Work on the embankments are almost done here at the St. Johns River. Pilings are still being installed here for the bridges as well. Retaining walls are continuing to be installed in this area. Sub-road bed has started being laid here. Here, a box culvert is being built for a drainage canal. Another culvert will be installed here. Retaining walls are being installed here as the ramp for the bridge over Interstate 95 begins here. No beams have been installed for the bridge over Pine Street. Work is continuing on the bridge over Interstate 95. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Also check out my social media pages.